Hello everyone, welcome to Sentence Diagramming 101, and this video is exercise 5R, which is the review for chapter 5 verbals. So we're going to find them all in here. We're going to have gerunds, we're going to have participles, we're going to have infinitives. It's going to be wild. And all the sentences are about Alan Tudyk, so it's always a good time because he's pretty entertaining. Okay, so number 1, we have in Frozen, the annoying Duke of Weselton, voiced by Tudyk, dances with Anna. All right, with Anna. What else by Tudyk? In Frozen. All right, so adverb tells me where. Adverb tells me how. With Anna tells me with whom. All the adverbs. And annoying is a participle, telling me about that Duke. And then voiced is also a participle, telling me about, what? Oh, also about the Duke. So we've got the Duke. He's my subject. Oh, of Weselton. Another one. Which Duke? This is an adjective. So that's my subject is the Duke. And then he dances. Wow, long sentence for all of that, huh? So all we have is Duke dances. And then we're going to add so many things. Okay, so let's start. We have the Duke. We know that he is the annoying Duke. We know that he is the Duke of Weselton. Everybody says Weaselton, and he says Weselton. And we know that he is voiced. And he is voiced by Alan Tudyk. And then he dances, and then, what's that? Oh, he dances in Frozen. I was like, I know I'm forgetting one. So Frozen's the movie here, the title of the movie, so it's not a participle, even though Frozen would technically be a participle, but here it's a noun because it's a thing. And then he dances with Anna. Boom. Okay, so that's number 1. Moving on. We've got Duke Weselton tries to deceive Officer Hops. So Duke Weselton's subject, he tries. What does he try? To do the thing. It is an infinitive phrase. I'm just gonna, I hit a button. Pause. There we go. We're back to it. Okay. Now, Duke Weselton, because here he's a proper noun, whereas before he was the Duke of Weselton, making it a prepositional phrase. Here he's just got a name, so I'm gonna DW this, little DW, right? And then whoosh, he tries, and then we have an infinitive, right, as our direct object. He tries to deceive. And then who is he trying? Oh, Officer Hops. Yeah, I'm going to OH that because it, again, proper noun. When you have a proper noun, you're able to just put the, the whole thing together on one line. Okay, moving on to number 3. Ooh, we're in Moana. Moana. Okay. We have Hey Hey. What does Hey Hey the chicken do? He joins the quest. It is Moana's quest, adjective. And it is a quest to find Maui. So that is the type of quest. So it's an adjective infinitive phrase. So we have Hey Hey. The chicken survives. All right, so he joins what? He joins the quest. He joins Moana's quest. And then what is it? Oh, it's a quest to find, and then to find Maui. So that gives us the which quest, right? That's the which quest question. Okay. Number 4. What is this? Oh, this is Encanto, isn't it? After getting his gift, a scared Antonio talks with a vocal toucan. So with a vocal toucan is where he talks, adverb. Voiced by Alan Tudyk, of course. Okay. After getting his gift, another prepositional phrase, but getting is going to be a gerund here. Gift, object, gerund. Scared, participle. Ugh. Come on, pen. Describing Antonio. So Antonio talks. That's really our sentence. So we have Antonio. I'm going to give myself space here. Okay, so first we know that after, and then after what? After getting, and then after getting the gift, it's his gift, and Antonio, and then it is a scared Antonio. And then he talks with the toucan. It's a toucan, and it is a vocal toucan. And that's number 4. Moving on to number 5, voicing Sunny NK. Oh, K2, so yeah, from Star Wars. Alan Tudyk gets to play a robot in iRobot and Rogue One. So he does it all. Okay. Now, what are we doing? In iRobot and Rogue One, prepositional phrase tells me where, adverbing. He's voicing Sunny. So what is that? That is a participle, right? No, it's not a participle. What am I doing? Voicing. It is describing. Yeah, he voicing Sunny. Oh, it is a participle. Oh, wow. Need to get my brain in gear. Did too many of these in a row. So he's part. All right, so these are the object of the participles. That's what's happening. All right, so then Tudyk gets. All right, and then what does he get? He gets this whole thing, right, to play all of that. So that is our direct object. So we have our infinitive, our object of the infinitive. Same deal. Okay. So let's see what this looks like. We have Tudyk gets. And then what is the thing he gets? He gets to play. He gets to play a robot. And then he doesn't get in iRobot and Rogue One. He gets to play. So it's here, right? And it's to play in, I'm just going to do IR and then RO. But if you were doing this, you would write it out. Okay, what am I missing? Voicing. All right, so he is voicing. And then what is he voicing? He's voicing, so, oh, see, look, I didn't give myself enough room. Erase. Just kidding. So he is voicing Sunny. And then K2, so. And, okay. So voicing Sunny. Tudyk gets to play a robot in both of those movies. All right. Number 6. Tudyk kissing Sandra Bullock experiences his first on-screen kiss in 28 days, which was an interesting movie. All right. So this is where adverb. We have a subject. We know that he is kissing her. So participle, object, right? Describing our subject. He experiences a thing. What is it? Oh, it's the kiss. And then all of these are going to be adjectives. Okay. So we have Tudyk experiences. What does he experience? That kiss. And it's his kiss. It's his first kiss. It's his first on-screen kiss. Now, if you wanted, I don't know what Mr. Tudyk would say about this, but I imagine it wasn't his first kiss like in life. It was probably his first on-screen kiss. So what I would do is play this game and say, you know, the first actually goes with on-screen and not literally with kiss, making first an adverb because it is modifying the adjective on-screen. So I would argue that. I mean, he's fairly grown by the time he's in 28 Days Later. Or not 28 Days Later. That's a zombie movie. 28 Days is a different movie. Okay, so he experiences in... Oh, my pen just is very angry in 28 days. All right, and then we have Tudyk, so we know that he is kissing. And then who is he kissing? Sandra Bullock. Okay. So that's number 6. Moving on to number 7. Yeah, Heath Ledger in A Knight's Tale was Tudyk's second on-screen kiss. Yeah, we're definitely going with, second is about on-screen is about kiss. But In A Knight's Tale tells me where, adverb. And then kissing. Oh, well, kissing Heath Ledger, that's going to be my subject. It's also a gerund, making Heath the object of the gerund. And then it was, linking verb. And then was, what was kiss? So subject complement. And then, Tudyk's kiss, second kiss. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So we have kissing. Heath Ledger. And then, oh, where did the kissing occur? He kissed him in A Knight's Tale. What was the kiss? And it was, all right, now this one, you know, it's sort of like it was Tudyk's kiss. It was an on-screen kiss. And then it was his second on-screen kiss, not his second kiss. If anyone knows any differently about Mr. Tudyk's kissing history, you can change how you're dealing with your adjectives and adverbs. Okay. To react with fighting is Dutch's instinct in Transformers Dark Side of the Moon. Is that Dark of the Moon? Oh, all right. I guess that's what it's called. Let's see. So in is just telling me where, adverb. And with fighting, another prepositional phrase, how, so it's an adverb as well, how he reacts, right? So an adverb, but it's also got a gerund in it, so that's fun. So subject is instinct, subject complement, making Duchess an adjective. Okay, so we have an infinitive as our subject, to react. And then he reacts with fighting. Oh, this is fun. To react with fighting. Okay. Is instinct. Duchess. And then where in Transformers Dark of the Moon? Did we get all the words? We sure did. Okay. Moving on. Pretending to be a pirate. Tudyk plays dodgeball to win a prize. Okay, so pretending to be a pirate, describing a, oh yeah, gosh. All right, so participle, then we have an infinitive, infinitive right there, object to the infinitive right there, subject, he plays dodgeball, and then why does he play dodgeball? So that's an infinitive acting as an adverb. If you've seen Dodgeball, you know he plays dodgeball to try to save the gym that he loves, even though he dresses like a pirate anytime they see him at the gym. Okay, so he plays what? Plays dodgeball. Why does he play? He plays to win a prize, to save the beloved gym. Okay, now Tudyk is the one who is pretending. So he is pretending. And then he is pretending what? Oh, no. Wrong spot. Look at me. Drawing my lines too fast. Because to be a pirate is the thing that he is pretending. I'm going to lose my pen over it. All right, there we go. He's pretending what? To be. And then to be a pirate. There we go. That's number 9. You're getting all the constructions in this one, except for, oh yeah, we got a participle, we got a gerund. Oh no, we don't have a gerund in this one. We had a gerund in that one. So number 8 has more of the things. Okay. How about number 10? After starring in Firefly, Tudyk reprises his character Wash by acting in Serenity. Oh, if you've seen Serenity and you know what happens, you know why I made that sound. Okay. So after starring, that whole thing, prepositional phrase. So really we're looking at that. This is going to be a gerund, don't forget. These are adverbies because they tell me where and when. We know that he reprises the character. So that's the direct object. Wash renames the character, a positive. So again, adjective, how he reprises the character, making it an adverb, and then where he plays the character, adverb, and then gerund, because acting is a gerund. Okay. So we have Tudyk reprises character. His character is Wash. He is a leaf on the wind. Watch how he soars. Anyway. All right. And then we know that this happens. It happens after starring. All right. And then he starred in Firefly. And then how does he reprise? He reprises by acting. And then where is he acting? In Serenity. So Firefly was the TV show. Serenity was the movie that takes place after the TV show and maybe kills a lot of characters. Okay. So that is exercise 5R review. You made it through all of the verbals, and now you're ready for chapter 6. So we're going to start putting all of this stuff together. You're going to need a lot more room to do your diagrams.